We are at SIM-PAC Live Melbourne. I'm with Matt Jongh from Responsible Wood. Last night he walked away with this stunning trophy, and this was for the award for the Primary Sector Sustainability Award for the work that they're doing in your management of forests.
Yep.
Matt, just briefly tell us what you've been up to
No,
win
thanks,
this award.
Well, thanks, Jeff. It's an honour to win this award on behalf of Responsible Wood. But first of all, I'd like to thank Jeff for doing a great job. Jeff's done a great job bringing all of these organisations together over the last couple of days. I went to the SIM-PAC event back up in Brisbane back in February, I think it was, Jeff.
Yeah.
You've got a fantastic array of people here. So Responsible Wood, so basically what Responsible Wood does is we do forest and chain of custody certification. So we certify forests to ensure that they're managed sustainably, so that forest wood-based products come from a sustainable source. We also certify organisations like processors and manufacturers and wholesalers and retailers,
yes,
and ensure that there's a responsible and ethical supply chain as far as forest wood-based products go. So it's great to be here today with all these manufacturers as well, Jeff. So it's been fantastic.
And I'm a fan of sustainably managed timber.
Yeah.
It's great products. You also do all the way down to certifying cardboard and those recycled.
Yeah, that's correct. So as I said before, at the end of the day, when the consumer purchases a product, as long as it's got the Responsible Wood label on it, they can be assured it's come from a forest that's still a forest, so the trees regrow, they regenerate. It's been managed sustainably, but also that it's followed a ethical and responsible supply chain as well, and also aligns with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. There's been quite a bit of talk the last few days about the SDGs, and it also ensures that everything's been done legally as well. So it's been fantastic.
Doing a great job, and you're a not-for-profit as well.
Exactly, we're a not-for-profit, and our standards are actually Australian standards as well. So we're actually accredited by Standards Australia to write and develop standards. There's been quite a bit of talk the last few days about standards, so our standards are actually Australian standards, and we support sustainably grown forests in Australia, and also we also support Australian manufacturing as well, which has been great to see.
Yeah.
You brought together so many manufacturers here as well the last few days as well, so it's been a fantastic synergy as well. So thank you very much, Jeff, for having me the last couple of days.
And well done to all your team.
Appreciate it. Yeah, thank you very much.